எல்லாமே போடு. அப்புறம் தேவையில்லை நம்ம சாரி காட்டான் நீயே காட்டான் ஃப்ரண்ட் கேமரா ஆன் பண்ணி வச்சிருந்தேன். நீங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் காத்திருக்கிறீங்க. அங்க போ. Old age what we do. Old age, white people will go to temple, they will over talk. So the younger people, they will disturb and they will talk over. That's what they will take and keep in the temple. Temple will have to keep quiet now. What will you do? That time I will go. Yesterday on correction students, that uniform circular charted disk is there. Calculation I made one mistake. Now I will correct it. Which uniform? I will tell you. Two things you gave. Axial. This one. Uniform charted disk is there, na? Yes, sir. In the last step, actually we should get cosine theta, but I did wrong calculation. We didn't get any theta, sir. We got sigma by 4 epsilon. Yeah. Today we'll see that. This is what here? Uniformly charged disk. What is the name of this line? I will do it right now. You identify where the mistake happened. Okay. First you listen. This is the uniformly charged disk. Means how the charge is distributed. Uniformly only, na? Yes, sir. Means you have to use the uniform charge length. Means total charge by total area of the circular cross section. Where you want to these days exam the before that I was okay. What is the name of this line here? Axial line or principal axis. Now the total charge by total area is called what here? Sigma. Surface charge density sigma. Now I want to find net electric field at point P. Is it possible? Directly you cannot find, no? Directly you cannot find. Only integration method you have to. What is integration method? Take one small elementary ring like this. Take one small elementary ring at a distance. What is the radius of that ring? Y and thickness how much? dy. What is the total charge on the ring? dq by dA. And what is the area of the ring? dA also equal to how much? Sigma. First I will find the electric field due to this ring at this point P. That is always away only, na? Yes, sir. Because if it is positive charge means electric field will be outwards compulsory. And you know ring formula also. Electric field to ring how much? D is equal to how much? K into charge on the ring into by how much? X by y square plus x square plus y square whole power 3 by 2. X square plus y square how much? Whole power 3 by 2. Whole power 3 by 2. This is the formula. Now dq value what I can write here? Sigma into dq value? Sigma into dA. Sigma into surface density into area of the ring and into how much x and whole divided by how much here
X square
plus y square and whole power 3 by 2. That ring, that circular ring, I will convert into rectangular belt. What will happen? What will happen? Tell me. The length of the rectangular belt will be circumference 2 pi y
dy.
and the thickness will be how much here?
dy.
dy. So tell me what the area of this rectangular belt?
2 pi y
into dy. Length into breadth. So I will substitute here. So what I can write? D is equal to
2 pi
K into
sigma.
A's are not there. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Want the plan? So K into sigma into what is the area of the elementary ring?
2 pi y dy.
Very good. 2 pi y into dy into x whole divided by how much here? X square plus y square and whole power
3 by 2.
3 by 2. What is the next job? Constants you have to write this side.
Yes, sir.
This is only electric field due to ring only, element only. I want all electric fields. What I should do?
Integrate on both sides.
Integrate on either side. What integration of 1 into d? E and constants I will write outside. What is it?
Sigma
K into sigma into
2 pi
2 pi into even for every ring x is constant only. And integration of how much?
2 pi y d.
Y
Y dy.
dy and whole divided by how
X
much?
square
X
plus
square
y
plus
square
y square and whole
whole power
power
3 by 2.
3 by 2. I told you many times this is a very complex integration. What method you have to use? Very important step. Polar method. What is polar method?
Theta.
Join this ring at this point P. What is the angle here?
Theta.
Theta. Tan theta value how much?
Opposite
Opposite
side.
by adjacent side.
Y by x.
Such two variables you should not entertain. So one and only one method, polar method or angle. You should remove x, should remove y, you should remove dy also. In the place of everything, theta and d theta you have tried.
Yes, sir.
Why? That's what I am using. Tan theta equal to how much here? Opposite side y by x. 2 I am replacing with theta. Are you understanding the logic? It's a very difficult integration. Huh? So I am removing y and x in the place theta I am going to put. So y value how much here? X into tan theta. But dy also you should eliminate. Na? What I should do? On either sides I have to differentiate dy by d theta. X should not touch. But differentiation of tan theta, secant square theta and into d theta by d theta. D theta cancels out. So what is dy value also? X into secant square theta into how much? D theta. Then put this dy value, y value where? Here. Understood? So net electric field equal to how much here? 2 into K into sigma into pi into x and integration of y value how much?
X tan theta.
X tan theta and into dy
X
value how
secant
much?
square theta d theta.
X into
Secant square
secant square theta into
d theta.
d theta and whole divided by how much?
X square
X
plus
X
X
plus y
square
value how much? X square tan
tan
square
square
theta. X square
tan
tan
square
square theta and whole power
3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Take x square common.
Take x square common. Equal to how much? 2 into k into sigma into pi into x. X into x how much? X square. Na? So x cube I will write an integration of
Tan theta.
of theta and into
Secant square
secant square theta and into d theta whole divided by x square I will take common.
1 plus tan square theta.
1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta
3 by 2.
and whole power 3 by 2. 2 to 2 cancels out. And what will happen?
E is equal
2
to
into
2 pi
k into sigma into pi into x cube integration of
tan theta.
tan theta into how much?
Secant square theta d theta
whole divided by
x cube
sorry,
secant
d theta I forgot.
x cube secant cube
Very good. X cube and into
secant cube
secant cube into
theta.
X cube cancels out.
Secant square theta, secant.
Where in the place of x cube I written x squared something.
No sir, x cube only sir.
Secant cube then.
Secant cube you cancelled that secant square and secant.
That is the problem. Total I cancel I think. But you should not cancel total. Only one secant theta remaining, no? Shall I arrange this?
Yes sir.
Last step cancellation I did mistake. Did not notice. 2k into sigma into pi and integration of how much?
Tan theta.
Tan theta into
Secant
square theta into d theta
by secant.
divided by secant cube theta. No?
Secant.
The secant square theta, one secant theta will remain, no? So I will write
Sin.
one secant theta. Correct?
Yes sir.
Yeah. Secant theta, what I can write?
1 by cos theta.
Very good. 1 by cosine theta. Tan theta, what I can write?
Sin theta by cos theta.
Sin theta by
Cos theta.
cosine theta. Cosine theta cancels out. So 2 into k into
square layer sir.
minus into pi integration of how much?
Sin theta d theta.
Sin theta into d theta. What integration of sin of theta? How much? Integration of sin of theta how much? Minus cosine of theta. What is cosine theta value? Tell me. This is our right angle triangle, no? Y and x, no?
Yes sir.
Hypotenuse is how much? X square plus y square. This is a right angle triangle that you have used for the polar method, no? Tell me what is cosine theta value?
X by under root of
Minus 2k into sigma into pi. Cosine theta how much? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Yes or no? Minus I took outside. Okay. Then put the limits from where to where. So take this circular disc. Where is the first ring? First ring is at x equal to 0, no?
Yes sir.
And last ring is at x equal to periphery. Means x equal to capital R, na? So do the limits from where to where? 0 to capital R. Understood or not? Now put the limits. Now if you put the limits, so what do you get?
R by
Minus 2 into k into
sigma by
sigma into pi. First I will put upper limit. So r whole divided by
under root of
Under root
r
of
square
how much?
plus y square.
sorry, in the place of y I have to put na? Y equal to, I should not put x. X is always
Y
constant. Y only I have to put. So x I will write x only. And x I will write x only. Y value how much? R square minus and put lower limit. What do you get? X by x only, na? Understood? X cancels out. That is how much? 2 into k into sigma into pi. Minus if you send inside, what will happen? 1 minus x pi under root of x square plus r square. Okay, so this is the electric field due to the uniform circular charged disk. If it is, what do you say? Very small. This is
One x by root of x square.
Minus
sorry. Okay, x by. Please change it. Minus I put inside. So left become right, right become left. So this is the thing. But this formula is applicable for what only? Finite disk only. What is the meaning of the finite disk, my dear student? The circular disk at the point P, if you keep your eye, if you are standing, you could see the topmost tip finite, bottommost tip also will be finite. Now, what do you do for the infinite?
Keep it closer.
Infinite means what? Very good. You will keep it very close. And the point you are bringing, very close. Your eye you are bringing very close. You could not see anything. So what I have to put? R is very larger than x, no? Yes or no? Means x is very smaller than R. like 0.001 meter. X only deadly small means x square will be negligible, 0. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
X if you take 0.01 means
X
x
square
will
will be
means 2 zeros extra will come. Understood? So x square totally I can make it 0. Or x value put 0. Both sides. X will be neglected. Na? 0 by something means what? 0. So what do you get?
Okay.
For infinite disk. Infinite disk means can you define shape? You are seeing the edges of the disk. Na? So if it is a square also infinite, circular also infinite, rectangular also infinite. Yes or no? So for infinite disk, how will you define? 2k into sigma into pi. K value slightly you can change.
1 by
K
4
value
pi
how
epsilon
much?
naught.
1 by
4 pi epsilon.
4 pi epsilon naught into
Pi
sigma into pi. Pi cancels out. So 2 ones are 2 twos are what? That sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Like that, yesterday arbitrary point we found a dipole. Arbitrary point.
Electric dipole.
Dipole over na axial over
Axial. Equatorial.
over.
Short distance.
Arbitrary.
arbitral also over na. Now, as of now, you have seen only one system of charge na. Either one charged ring, either charged disk or infinity disk, infinity wire. Only single charge system only you have seen na. Now hereafter system of charges we are going to see. What we are going to see? System of charges. Clear or not? So let us see some examples. This is one positive charged disk. This is one negative charged disk. Here surface charge density plus sigma. Here surface charge density how much? Minus sigma. I have taken one particular point P is there. Find the net electric field at point P. Everyone. Find a net field at point P. At point P totally, did I define any distance? Do you feel that it is a data is insufficient then? I did not give distance means you should understand these two plates are very closer. Closer means this is infinity disk. This is also how much? Infinity disk.
Sir, it feel towards negative charge.
Very good. And what is the magnitude? At point P totally how many charges are producing electric field? First plate will produce electric field in which direction?
Opposite direction.
Always away only na.
Yes, sir.
Always positive charge will produce electric field outwards. What about negative charge?
Pulls that.
Always towards only na.
Yes, sir.
Understood. So E
Two-
plus E how much here?
2E.
So I can write net electric field at any point equal to how much? E plus E. What electric field you do? Infinity disk? How much? Sigma by 2 epsilon. Just now I found. But electric field you do negative charge also? There is sigma by 2 epsilon naught.
Sigma by.
And remember one thing, if you take any disk, only one surface you have to take. What is the reason? The left side, the left surface will be always grounded, so there is no charges will be accumulated for any device. Yes or no? Any device is grounded or not?
Yes, sir.
All household appliances are grounded or not? Grounded only, na? So this what? The leftmost surface is also grounded. So leftmost surface and rightmost surface, no charge should be there.
Yes, sir.
Every plate has how many surfaces? Totally 2 surfaces. Only the charges should be accumulated only on the inner faces. Or understand that arrangement is called what here? Capacitor. Have you seen the capacitor? Outer surface is insulated. Na? Insulated means coated with plastic only. Na?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen capacitor or choke? A tubeless choke is then that is called capacitor also. Means the outer plate is what? Insulated. Means no charge will be residing on the outer plate. Please write that point, very important. One very important note. No charges should reside on outer plates. No charge should reside on outer plate. Or if you don't ground, reverse meaning also will come. Na? Here zero charge means here also zero charge. Means here q coulombs means compulsory here plus q coulombs only. This statement correct means that statement also correct. Na? Understood or not understood? So how many plates if you keep? Always the charge on the outer spaces must and should be equal. What the reason? The charge, if you grounded 0 and 0, if you won't ground also, compulsory due to the self adjustment, equal charges will be there. Equal in sign. Equal charges will be accumulated. Clear or not clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay, that is the point. So write that. If it is not grounded, charges on outer faces must be equal. Very simple logic. If you brought this charge, it's dragging the electrons to the inner faces. As a result, the remaining charge will go outside. That's all. Understood? Left side here plus 2 microcoulomb means right side how much should be also?
Plus 2
Plus 2 microcoulomb.
Yes, sir.
That point compulsory you have to keep it in your mind. For example, see, I am taking to increase the complexity, one more plate also I will add. But I will add one extra plate also I will add. For example, this is one infinity plate. This is one infinity plate. What is this? This is one infinity plate. Right? For this, for example, I have given a charge plus 2 microcoulomb.
On the outer surface, sir.
Total I have given. Total I have given. How they will spread, tell me? On either of the surfaces, they will accumulate.
Equal.
We don't know that. Single plate is not there, na? If single plate is there means you are correct. If only single plate is there means
Equally.
if you charge the 2 microcoulomb
One
means
here, one coulomb.
very good. Due to the symmetricity concept, here plus 1 microcoulomb, there plus 1 microcoulomb.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now I have added
2 more.
one more plate. Second plate.
Yes, sir.
And in the next coming cases, 5 plates also will add. I am starting with a simple process. I added minus 10 microcoulomb. Now tell me what will happen, how the charge will be distributed. The rule is the charge on the inner surfaces must be equal and opposite.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Opposite as well.
The
Two
charge
minus
on the
two.
outer surfaces must be equal and same signs. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then I will write this charge is plus x. Then this will be how much?
2 minus 6.
Suppose 2 minus x. Then this is 2 minus x means this is how much?
2 minus
2 minus.
You
Plus
can
x. Minus 2 minus plus x.
X minus 2.
Minus of
Equal and opposite, na? Minus you have to multiply.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So x minus 2. This is x minus 2 means here how much charge? From the minus 10, have to subtract this. Please say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So minus 10 minus
plus
x
8.
minus 2. So how much that will be? Minus 10
Minus
x
6
plus 2. If you don't understand, please stop. I'll explain. So minus 10 Minus, sorry, 2 minus 10, how much?
8
Minus 8
minus
and
minus
minus. So what is the charge here?
minus
Minus
of
x minus 8. As I told, shall I equate this both? Because always, for any identical conductors, always outer faces should have equal charges or zero charges.
Yes, sir.
Please say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Now please.
Sir, both are two different charges. Then how, sir, outer innermost also say equal and opposite? Then the remaining charges will accumulate outside, sir. How will that be?
Correct
equal?
only. How it will be, you are going to see. After getting real number, you will understand. You will digest. Understood? Okay. Substitute. Shall I equate them both? X equal to how much?
Minus x.
Minus x minus 8.
2x equals.
Correct or not? What will happen? X will bring this set. So 2x equal to how much here? Minus 8. So x value how much? Minus 4. Now put the real values. What is charge equal to x value? What is charge on this face? Minus 4 microcoulomb. What is charge on this response?
6.
2 minus of minus 4 how much? Plus 6 microcoulomb. Undoubtedly, I'm here stating what is minus 6 microcoulomb. What is charge on this? Minus 4 microcoulomb. If you have doubt, check the values. Please say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Very simple logic. Take one this cuboidal thing. If you charge, the charge will be settled only on the outer faces, na? Yes or no? All four surfaces are same means on every side charge is same, na? That logic only I have used. Now I will increase complexity. One more plate I will add. What I will add? One more plate. You have to find charge on every side.
We'll find.
You have to find.
You need to find out.
If you don't find also, no problem, but you should try.
Okay, sir.
See how many plates I am taking? 3 plates. First plate and second plate and third plate I am taking. Understood? Here I charged plus 2 microcoulomb, here minus 10 microcoulomb, and here minus 5 microcoulomb. How many phases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find charges on all the 6 phases. Student, this is a concept repeatedly appearing in your JEE question. Both mains as well as advanced. I remembered, so we are discussing that.
Sir, what is the value on third charge, sir?
Minus 10 microcoulomb.
Next to that,
Minus 5.
minus 5, okay, sir.
Vishwanath only, na?
Yes, sir.
His voice is different.
Sir, here which two stars should we equate, sir? They don't.
Outer surfaces.
1 and 6, sir.
1 and 6 same, na?
No, they say minus 6 and now they say minus x plus 3. Minus 13. Wait, 13. Minus 6.5. Release of the charge.
Tell
Release
her.
of- One second.
Yeah, one is minus 6.5.
1 is minus 6.5. Yeah?
X plus 8.
Next,
2 minus x.
2 minus 6.
8. No, sir, 8.5. Q2 is 8.5.
Minus 6.
8.5.
Plus 8.5.
Yes, sir.
Q3 minus 8.5.
Yes, sir. Minus 8.5.
Next, Q4
Q4
minus
is
10 minus 8.5.
no, sir. Minus 10 minus 6.5.
Minus 1.5.
Minus 10. Yes, sir. Minus 1.5, sir.
Q5
Minus
plus
1.5, sir.
1.5.
Plus 1.5, sir.
Q6
Q6 is minus
Q1
13.
same, na?
Yes, sir. minus 1.5.
Are you supporting Vishal? This is Vishal answer.
Yes,
Support
Right,
it,
sir.
Q1
One word
minus
itself.
6.5.
Vishal and Jiva. Dharani also supporting.
Yes, sir.
Huh? I think it might be correct one. Your answer, ma?
Sorry, not it.
Okay, then listen. Next thing you have to do. Please stop me immediately if you don't understand anywhere. Understood? This is the first plate, second plate, and what is this? Third plate. How much is spread here? 2. Here, -10 here, -5. You can start anywhere. I will start here how much X. Then what is charge here? Respond.
2 minus 6.
Very
2
good.
minus
2 minus X. Then here how much
Minus of 2
charge?
minus 6.
Equal and opposite
Opposite.
charges should induce at the near faces.
Yes, sir.
Here
Minus
this is X minus 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Minus into 2 minus X means X minus 2. Then this is how much?
Minus 10 minus x plus 2.
Minus 10 of minus X minus 2. How much? Minus 10
minus x plus 2.
So
Minus 8 minus
minus
6.
what is -8?
Minus 8.
Minus 6.
Then
What is
x
this
plus
charge
8.
here?
X plus
Minus
8.
you have to multiply.
X plus
X
8.
plus 8.
Very good. 8 plus X. Then this will be how much?
Minus 5
this
minus 8 minus 6.
Minus 5, 8 plus X.
Minus 13 minus.
Minus X. That is how much? Minus 13,
Minus
minus
6.
X. Both are equal only, na?
Yes, sir.
Opposite, I mean outer faces compulsory should be equal.
Equal.
Understood? So I can equate that X equal to how much?
Minus
13
13 minus
Minus X. Minus X I am bringing this side.
2x.
What is that? 2X equal to how much?
Minus 13.
Minus 13. X value how much?
Minus
Minus
6.5.
6.5. It's perfect answer. Substitute that. X value how much? Minus 6.5. What is this? 8.5
Minus 8.5.
minus 8.5
Minus 1.5, so 1.5.
minus 1.5
1.5.
plus
6.5.
1.5
And equal minus 6.5.
equal to minus
6.5.
Clear everyone?
Next
4 plates.
One more problem, sir. 4 plates.
4 plates.
Hey, no, you can do
And you said you will do 5 plates.
100 plates also you can do now. Very simple strategy. Now let me introduce one more
Next concept.
next concept, electric flux. Electric flux. What is that?
Yeah, that's simply the flux.
Okay. What is the meaning of the flux actually? Group of lines. Group of electric field lines. It's called the electric flux. You know, for example, if you take any point positive charge, what is the name of this charge? Parent charge. What is the meaning of the parent charge? I don't need to tell. What is that? It is fixed. How much big external force if you apply, it will not go. Now, if you keep any positive charge, a test charge, what will happen?
Repel.
This parent charge will repel, so it will go like this. The trajectory of this test charge or positive charge is only called what here? Electrical field line. Same positive charge if you keep here, it will go like this. Same positive charge if you keep here, it will go like this. Same positive charge if you keep like this, it will go like this. Are you understanding everyone?
Yes, sir.
So, put any positive charge The electric flux, I mean, group of electric field lines are always outwards. Vice versa also true, no? What a vice versa means? To take a negative point charge, how do you write the electric flux? The electric field lines are
Always inward.
always inwards like this. Please, some students will write like this. It is incorrect. Why? Because real lines are not there. Something is real only, you have to write the continuous line. Please do not write the continuous line.
Dotted line.
The electric field lines are imaginary lines. For our conceptual understanding only, we created that. So please never write that. Okay. So like that. Now if you keep the two charges together, how do you write the electric flux? This is one positive charge. This is one negative charge. How do you write this? Both are equal charges. Equal charges means this is plus Q means this is minus Q. I mean, this is producing how many number of electric field lines? Same number of lines are terminating at the negative charge. Here one line, here second line, and here what? Third line, and here what?
So what is that line?
Electric field line.
Understood? Compulsory, you have to follow the symmetricity. Symmetricity means the positive charge is producing 5 electric field lines. At a positive charge, 5 electric field lines are originating, and at the negative charge also compulsory 5 electric field lines should be terminated. Then what about this? This is positive charge and this is positive charge. Both are equal. How do you write that? This one. Away only, na? This time what will happen? Like this. Actually, imaginary lines you have to draw, but they will not intersect. Remember, no electric field line, no two electric field lines should intersect. Understood? Now, for suppose if this is plus QQ means, tell me how many electric field lines will come? Double. Here 4 lines are coming means here twice charge is there. So how many lines should come? Double, no? More 2 I will draw. Correct or not? Yes. Have you noticed? As the magnitude of the charge increases, number of lines also increases. Shall I write one statement? The magnetic flux is directly proportional to magnitude of the charge. Yes or no? What I said only, I am converting into equation. Understood? Accepted or not? Magnetic flux means group of lines is proportional to charge. If you decrease the charge, what will happen? If you make it Q by 2, what will happen? 2 lines you have to remove. That thing only I have written. And to give a perfect equation format, I have to create one proportional constant. Compulsory that proportional constant should correlate it to the nature of the medium only, no? Yes, sir. No, so I can write. I will keep one constant that is equal to 1 by epsilon naught. Understand? Actually,
Why you get one way?
one way is not very good question. In the laboratory, if you plot the value, flux values if you plot on y-axis, charge values if you plot on x-axis, 100% it looks like a y is equal to plus m into x only, na? Q similar to x, y similar to flux, na?
M is
Yes or no? So you get one straight line with a positive slope. always this proportional constants representing slope only, na? I will find the slope. This angle theta I will find. Then tan theta, how much you will get exactly? 1 by epsilon naught you will get.
Yes, sir.
Understood or not understood?
Yes,
That is
sir.
a method of measuring the slopes, proportional constant. Every proportional constant is nothing but slope of the x and y relation. So this is a what? Electric flux expression. That equal to how much? Q by epsilon naught. For a positive charge, flux is positive. For negative charge, flux is what here? Negative. Is my point clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now take 5 minutes break. One more case is there for electric flux. Tomorrow I will. Thank you, students. Give me one material. I will give some practice problems for a test. And I forgot tomorrow. I mean next Monday. You have tried only JEE mains only. I think you might have gone through the message. Everyone have to write the test because okay, prepare well for the 6 days. Every day at least 3 to 4 hours study, and day by day you have to increase. Actually, you have to study minimum 8 to 10 hours for IIT. But in the beginning only, I don't want to scare. So if understood. At a time, if I tell study every day 10 hours means it is not good. Not good for your health also. Understood? That's what slowly. Today you read just 1 hour or 2 hours. Day by day you increase. During your self-study, for every half an hour, give small breaks and do more problems. Hereafter, you have to keep the target in 12th standard 150 by 150. Your JEE mains. Like that, practice every problem. Total 300 na 12th standard 150. That equal weightage will not, well, roughly I am telling, understood? 12th more only will come. 12th standard more questions will come. Sometimes 50%, sometimes 60% also will come. So your target above 150 in your 12th standard. For that, come here regularly, understand concept. In a doubt, ask. I will give some problems. Do them. Daily 10 to 15 will give that stuff. This is your job to do that. Okay, some problems I will give. Try. Page number 67. Quickly write down. $14.
13 or 14, sir.
14. Page number 67.
Question number 14.
Question number 14. Page number 66. Question number 5. Question number 6. Page number 72. Question number 2. 1. 3. Okay. Try this problem. Okay, students. Thank you.